a blade on wheels. Every angle cuts through the air with surgical precision. The hexagonal forms, inspired by the sharp, fragmented facets of a carbon atom, are not merely aesthetic choices. They are functional declarations of intent. This is a design philosophy born from the relentless pursuit of aerodynamic perfection. The front splitter, low and aggressive, slices through the oncoming atmosphere, forcing it over and around the sculpted bodywork. It channels air into precisely located intakes, a voracious appetite for the cool, dense air needed to feed the beast within. The lines flow rearward, taut and unbroken, hugging the chassis like a second skin. Each crease and contour is a deliberate stroke, guiding the airflow with an invisible, masterful hand. The side skirts manage the turbulence along the flanks, keeping the car planted and stable as it pierces the horizon. Every surface, every curve, works in concert to minimize drag and maximize downforce, creating a machine that is not just moving through the air, but actively manipulating it, bending it to its will. It's a testament to the idea that form and function can be one and the same, a seamless fusion of breathtaking beauty and brutal efficiency. This is not just a car, it is a weapon, honed to its sharpest edge, an instrument of pure, unadulterated speed. The very silhouette speaks a language of velocity, a promise of the visceral experience that awaits behind the wheel. Its presence needs no introduction. The Huracán lives to be seen and heard. The heart of this marvel is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, a masterpiece of mechanical engineering that stands as a defiant roar against an age of quiet hybridization and forced induction. It is a symphony of raw power, a living, breathing entity that sits just inches behind the driver. At the press of the start button, it erupts into life with a percussive bark that sends a tremor through the very soul of the car and its occupant. This is not a muted, polite hum. It is an unapologetic declaration of its heritage. The sound is a complex, multi-layered composition that evolves with every press of the accelerator. It begins as a deep, menacing growl at idle, a predator lying in wait. As the revs climb, it transforms, sharpening into a furious, high-pitched scream that resonates with the history of motorsport. It's a sound that connects the driver directly to the mechanical ballet of pistons, valves, and crankshafts working in perfect high-speed harmony. This auditory assault is a core component of the Huracán experience, a sensory overload that is as intoxicating as its breathtaking acceleration. To muffle this engine would be to silence a legend. The Huracán is more than just a visual spectacle. It is an acoustic event, a rolling concert of combustion that ensures its arrival is felt long before it is seen. It is a presence that commands attention, dominates the senses, and leaves an indelible mark on all who witness its passing.